NEGG stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Newegg Commerce stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in this space with 43,000 videos documented. No one else has come even close to this number. Over 5 years that it's taken me, and I've seen what's working, what's not, and more so shown you. Before this whole pump, I was the one buying here, you know, and you cannot fake this. Here's the proof. It was sitting at 11.32 at the time, was aiming for 17 just 4 weeks ago. Not only did we reach to 17 bucks, this thing went to 55. Was looking to double down, but it sort of kind of crashed. And after a crazy pump, it's obviously going to go down. Like, nothing unusual there. And how this looks like currently is... interesting. I mean, for me to be bullish, I mean, I saw this first break, so that's good. You know what I mean? If this kind of second one pumps, gives me the second, then yeah, sure. But like randomly buying will just not be the way that I'll be doing things. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.